All right, well, this is a part of your notes, and I just wanted to point out a few of the similarities and differences between standard and vertex form. There's a lot of similarities and overlap, but there's also some differences. So let's just take a look. With vertex form, we should be quite familiar with this. Here's the template for vertex form. We know the vertex is looking at us basically in the template. And the axis of symmetry, again, we can just define x equals the h value. And so we also know that when A is positive, this graph is opening up. And when A is negative, the graph is opening down. And in a previous video, I talked to you about the vertical pattern points. You just simply follow this odd number sequence. If A is anything other than 1, you just multiply that value times 1, times 3, times 5, and so on and so forth. And those give you your vertical lifts. So now let's take a look at standard form. This is the fairly new one. It looks a little bit different. We don't see any parentheses. We have one squared term, but the x is not inside the parentheses. So it looks very different. The template is called standard form. And here is something that is different about this particular template. You will not be able to see the vertex from the template. You have to basically solve for the vertex. And you do so by defining B, defining A, and creating a number out of that. And then you have to plug that number back into the sentence to find the partner value Y. Okay? The axis of symmetry is also different. It is always the x value as before, but remember, to find the x value, you had to take negative b over 2a. There's one additional thing that you can see from standard form, and that is you can see the y-intercept. So this is the only thing that you can really see from standard form. Remember, vertex form, you can see the vertex and the axis of symmetry, but you can't see the y-intercept. But in this particular template, the value of c is always going to be the y-intercept. And these few things are the same. Okay, so this just kind of defines the differences between the two templates. And you do need to know how to find the vertex, the axis of symmetry, and whether the graph opens up or down, and how to graph a parabola, whether it's in standard form or vertex form. So if you have any problems, let me know. Come see me, and we'll get it straightened out.